निर्माण 2025 का वाइब चेक क्या है?
हरियाली ही हरियाली है.
बस 2 घंटा सो के आइडियाथॉन में आए हैं.
Hi everyone, I'm Shweta and today we are going to do a quick Q&A session here at Nirman, the Silicon Tech Fest 2025. We'll be talking to the participants, asking them quick questions and getting to know what they think about all the buzzing going around in the campus. So let's get going and continue with the Q&A. How would you rate the overall organization today?
Well planned. Very, the hard work is being shown throughout the event, and it is very pretty. All the drawings are very nice, and everyone is working very hard towards having this event go successful.
What do you think of the overall organization today?
I think it's better than previous year.
What made you step out today and join the event?
As an engineering student, I'm really enthusiastic about technical fields and tech fest. So yeah, that motivated me to join this fest.
How has been your experience so far?
The experience for me is very good, and I'm very excited to attend this event. And many people are coming here from different colleges, and it's very enthusiastic feeling for me to attend this event.
What event did you participate in today?
Robo race,
So what was the toughest part of making the robot?
चीज डिजाइन और ESC मेकिंग कंट्रोलर.
Describe the process of building your robot in 3 words.
So we first read the rule book thoroughly, and then we finalized the mechanics of the rover, and then we moved to the electronics. So basically rule book, mechanics and electronics.
Real talk, which was harder, agreeing with your teammates or thinking about the idea?
Agreeing with my teammates was never a hard part because they are very supportive to me. Obviously, thinking about an idea is hard because we have to think of an innovative idea and a noble idea, and our team did well.
So what's one myth about coding that you'd like to break?
That is boring. I don't find it boring. People find it boring because they don't want it. I find it interesting because I want it. The people want it, and the people in the world and the technology world is very vast. So contributing it is a very big thing in my thing.
So if you're going to win today, what are you going to brag about the most?
Today I'll brag about my team because they have done so much hard work, and I will thank you to our seniors because as we are first years, we don't know about this. So they helped us to how to make this.
What do you think is the biggest difference between your practice track and the real one on which you were competing today?
मेन डिफरेंस इज दैट जब तुम अपने रूम में प्रैक्टिस करो तो सबसे डिफरेंस है कि तुम रियल टाइम में कितना प्रेशर पड़ेगा वो उसका इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते. तो लाइक तो जब इन रियल लाइफ टाइम जब तुम एक्चुअली मैच में खेलते हो तब पता चलता है कि कितना नर्वसनेस और लाइक एंशियस सब एक साथ निकलता है. तब लाइक शेकिंग होता है या फिर वो सब. और प्रैक्टिस करते समय मैं एक ही चीज़ पर फोकस करता था कि लाइक आई हैव टू विन एनी हाउ, कोई भी टैक्टिक्स एनी वी लाइक माई मेन गोल वाज टू लाइक get that other bot out of the ring. That was my main focus. So I did. देखते हैं फिर आगे next rounds में क्या होता है.
Okay. So what's motivating you right now? Is it winning the event, the passion, or proving yourself right?
Our problem is that on some medical purpose, and we are trying to solve a huge amount of audience that is in basically rural or located remote areas, and this is what our idea is to be, and we are working passionately about it from few days.
I'll say everything is important, but right now winning is the most important for me because from the last year I am trying rigorously to win an event like Hackathon or Ideathon, but that is not on my plate right now. So I want to win that and to prove myself that yes, I can do this.